Welcome back to Equiflex Markets, your trusted guide to smarter, safer, and more successful trading. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, there are two tools you should never trade without: stop loss and take profit. They may sound technical, but they're actually your best friends in the trading world. Let's start with stop loss. Imagine you've entered a trade expecting the market to go up, but suddenly it drops. Panic? No, because your stop loss is already in place. It's like a safety brake, automatically closing your trade at a specific price if the market goes the wrong way. Why? To limit your losses and protect your capital. It's not about losing. It's about knowing how much you're willing to lose and sticking to it. Now flip the story. Your trade is going great. Price is rising. Profits are building. That's where take profit comes in. It's your auto celebration mode. It closes your trade automatically once your profit target is hit. No waiting, no guessing, no greed. Just locked in profits and peace of mind. Together, stop loss and take profit are your risk and reward anchors. They define your strategy before the trade even begins. They help you avoid emotional decisions. They protect your trades 24/7, even when you're away from your screen. And most importantly, they help you trade with discipline and clarity. Pro tip: never enter a trade without both. It's like driving with a seatbelt and a At Equiflex, we help traders like you build smart habits, strong strategies, and a confident mindset. From expert tools to tailored trading advice, we've got your back. Visit Equiflex Markets today. Explore, learn, and take control of your trading future. Because at Equiflex, it's not just about investing, it's about investing wisely.